Are you still struggling with IPsec for your site-to-site encryption? All that overhead on your network causing performance issues? Not to mention the security compromise you're making by still using IPsec. Can you really say those public keys are safe? Maybe it's time to think about a better way. Enter Thales High Speed Encryptors. With physical and virtual options available, HSEs are incredibly easy to deploy, making sure all data in motion stays secured. Get future-proofed and crypto-agile with support for custom curves, the ability to bring your own encryption, and last but not least, quantum-ready. Scalable, interoperable, much easier than maintaining IPsec tunnels, cost-effective, Thales High Speed Encryptors bring you first-class security without compromising performance. Contact your Thales account manager or customer success manager to learn more.